That car's coming, so I can't do this take. Hey everyone, it's Cosplayer Tavo. Hope you had a fantastic week. I know I have, and welcome to part 3. Yes, uno, dos, tres. Part 3 of the Ash Ketchum OG cosplay. Yes, we are down to part 3. We are basically done with most of the stuff, and I'm going to show you what I have finished and how you guys can get it too. So if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, I will put a link at the end of the video so you guys can get up to date on this cosplay. Go watch those, come back, and then we can watch part 3. But before we start, I want you to take a millisecond, maybe a microsecond, and hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell. Why? Because it gives you an update of when I post a video 2 times a week, and you can stay updated and see the space. Now, on to the video, Ash Ketchum Part 3. Let me show you what I have done. Now in the last video, I showed you all the stitching I need to do for this, and I just want to tell you guys, patience is key. That's the main remainder thing that you need to do for this cosplay. Just patience, patience, patience. Especially if you're hand sewing it. I wanted to show you guys, especially since some of you guys don't have a sewing machine, because one, they cost an extremely amount of money, but if you do not hand sewing, it's alright with me. So let me show you, because originally I was just going to show you like 20 seconds footage of me just doing the last stitches, but you know what, let me just show you, Jack, because it looks amazing. Seriously, here we go. Bam. The jacket is complete. Just looks amazing. Like I said, let me show you a little close-up. That's what happens when you do patience. Patience, you go in and out, even if it's a tiny, you're going to want to take your time with this, because this stitching is the best that I've done, because I usually don't take my time, but for this cosplay, I wanted to take my time, and it just looks amazing, seriously. And I just had to cut off a little bit of, that's what I actually did. When I finished it, the shoulders were a little bit too long, so I had to cut them off a little bit, but now all I have to do is cut off like these little remaining strings. Some of them just come off, some of them I'll just pluck with scissors, but other than that, this jacket is basically complete, and I'm super excited about this. And I can't wait for you guys to see part 4, where we'll show the final reveal. Now, since the jacket was the big thing, the key thing that we really needed, but we also need some good accessories and the remaining of the cosplay. So, let me show you. So, like I said, this cosplay is basically clothes, and clothes are so easy to find, plus you probably have this stuff at home, so you're basically saving a buck. But if you're on a budget, a thrift store is amazing. Seriously, it's amazing what you can find there for a fraction of the cost of what you could find at a department store. So let me show you. For the inside of the jacket, you're going to want a black shirt. Not too shabby. Yes, I actually found this at a thrift store for $1. Yes, $1. And the sleeves are very short, which is pretty good because you don't want it to be too long of a sleeve, it going over the white of the jacket, so you don't want that. But like I said, $1, amazing deal. You can always find them. And also, pants. You're gonna want to wear pants, especially if you're at a convention. Unless you're doing a beach style Ash Ketchum cosplay, you're gonna want to wear pants. So what I recommend for you is to get a light pair of jeans, light blue pair of jeans. Why? Because it resembles the one from the TV show, and these just feel amazing, especially these. I got these at Walmart for $20, which is pretty amazing, and they're pretty stretchable. They're very flexible, especially since you're doing all that Pokemon training, you're running, you're hopping, you are just dodging everything. So you're going to want to get some good pants for that, and these jeans are going to do it for you. So like I said, just Walmart, $20. It's amazing, but if you want to go to a thrift store, you could probably get it for a fraction of the cost as well. Probably somewhere around $5. Now, here's a key thing. And yes, what is a key thing that you need for your cosplay? Pokeball, yes. A Pokeball is going to be an essential for your cosplay because 1, you're Ash Ketchum, and 2, you're going to be a Pokeball master, and you need to catch Pokemon, so you need a Pokeball. Yes, this Pokeball I actually got at Barnes & Noble for $13. I feel like you guys could actually find it a little bit cheaper. I mean, way cheaper, maybe like $5. I was a little impatient, especially since I want to go to the convention when the cosplay, and I just dropped it. Wow, let me just pick it up real quick. So I got this on Barnes & Noble for $13. It came with this Pokemon, Pikachu. I don't really know what Pokemon this is. It's been a while since I watched Pokemon. I stopped watching after the Johto League. No, I didn't. I stopped watching after Pokemon the movie 4. Yes, after that. So if you guys can tell me who this Pokemon is in the comment section below, that would be muchly appreciated. But it came with that, and like I said, it opens. Looks like a Pokeball. And if you look closely, there is a clip. Yes, this can basically clip to my pair of jeans. So if I don't have to hold it the whole time, which is amazing, I don't have to put it in my pants because this Pokeball might cramp up the pants. And plus, it just goes with it, just like the TV show, how he just clips it on. So this is pretty cool, and it's a freaking Pokeball. It's awesome. So that's one thing you all gonna let me put that right there. And without further ado, this is the last item that you need. I totally messed that up. Wow. Again? First try. Yes, the Ash Ketchum hat. Yes. To be honest, I was so excited when I got this hat. Thankful to my sister Anna. Thank you so much for getting me this hat. I love it. To be honest with you, I'm wearing the Ash Ketchum hat. How awesome is this? Seriously, it's Ash Ketchum. Seriously, like I feel like I'm catching a Pokemon. Seriously. What's more else is it too? I got this. My sister got this at Burlington. That's what it's called now. But it used to be called Burlington Co-Factory. Whatever it was called, but Burlington. This cost about $6. Amazing deal. So yes, like I feel like a Pokemon master already, especially when you put on the hat and jacket. And basically, we are done with this cosplay, and I can't wait for you guys to come back next week for part 4 of the final look. Wait a minute, did I forget something? Yes, I did. The green gloves. I forgot about that. And you know what? It's gonna be in the 4th and final episode of the Ash Ketchum OG cosplay, because I'm gonna show you the final reveal of this cosplay, and you're gonna see it in all its greatness. Seriously, it's gonna be amazing. And another thing, shoes. It doesn't really matter with shoes, as long as you have a pair of white shoes. I'm just gonna use my red shoes because I want to stand out, but shoes aren't really a factor for this because he basically changes shoes like through the entire series, not just the Johto League, but I mean the entire series. So you're fine. And that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a little bit of what you need to get and learn from this process of stitching, because that was the main factor. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment below, tell me guys what you guys think. I want to do another geek story time. Let's do more geek story times. Those were so much fun. Tell me in the comment section below what you guys want the next geek story time to be. Seriously, I'm up for anything. Tell me, do you cosplay? You will.